What's going on? June with the Sushi Man, and I'm back with another episode from my Will It Sushi series. This restaurant got multiple requests, which makes sense. It's probably the most iconic fast food joint in the entire world. That's right, we're talking about McDonald's. And I'll be using the classic Big Mac, which I have to say, never thought I would be making into sushi, but let's see how it turns out. Alright, now let's jump right in. But first, I just want to give a quick thanks to you. Whether you're new or returning to my channel, thank you for being here. Now, I want to ask you for a simple favor. If you're enjoying my content and you're finding it helpful, then please consider hitting that subscribe button. It really does make a difference and it allows me to continue making more creative and better content. So again, I really appreciate you all being here. Now back to our video. Now, for those that are new here, I say this all the time on my channel, but the most important ingredient in any type of sushi is the sushi rice. Because sushi actually refers to the vinegared rice, and doesn't matter what else you put in it or on top of it, as long as you're using this rice, then it's considered sushi. Okay, now as I mentioned, I got the Big Mac combo meal, so let's see what we can use from here. Fries, we'll use that for sure. And I asked for some Big Mac sauce on the side, which you'll definitely use. Some honey mustard. And now for the sandwich. We'll use the beef patties, of course. Pickles. The cheese, which most of it's melted onto the patty. And then we'll scrape off some of this lettuce and sauce. Alright, I think that's good. I know not using the bread is kind of a waste, but I'm pretty sure it'll clash with the rice. Plus, it's going to be way too many carbs, so we'll keep it out. Not bad. Alright, I have everything ready to roll. And remember, if you're looking for detailed instructions on how to roll sushi, then make sure you check out my channel because I have a bunch of tutorial videos where I take you through each individual step. Let me try something here. Nope. Never mind, that is stuck on there. And there you have it. The McDonald's Big Mac Sushi Roll. The world's first, at least to my knowledge. The sauce on top didn't drizzle out as pretty as I wanted because of the little chunks in there, but I mean, it's definitely not your typical sushi ingredient, so it's all good. But I have a feeling it's going to be surprisingly good. All the other ones have been, so let's see how this one compares. Alright, itadakimasu. Huh. Not bad. It actually tastes like a regular Big Mac. I don't go to McDonald's too often, but if I do, I'm more of a quarter pounder guy, so it's been a very, very long time since I had a Big Mac. But this is exactly how I remember it tasting. Well, with a few exceptions, of course. Let me try with this soy honey mustard mix here. Okay, still not bad at all. It's actually pretty good, but I think I prefer it without it. But all in all, again, a pretty solid roll. Who knew? McDonald's Big Mac as sushi, huh? It actually kind of grows on you. I'm gonna have one more. It's actually a really good roll. Personally, the Chipotle roll is my favorite so far, but I plan to make a bunch more of these videos, so keep those suggestions coming. I'd love to hear your ideas, so just let me know in the comments below what's the next dish you want to see me make into sushi. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu.